Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Pinterest business account for your small business in 2025, and it will be an step-by-step breakdown video for you guys. So Pinterest is an amazing free tool to get traffic, leads and sales. Whether you sell product, offer service or run a blog, so grab your laptop and let's set up your Pinterest business account the right way. First of all, you just need to understand why use Pinterest for your business. Before we start, here's why Pinterest is so powerful. Like over 400 million monthly user Pinterest has, then people come ready to discover and buy. Then free organic reach, your pins can show up for years. Works for physical products, digital product service, coaching blogs and anything. So let's get your business on Pinterest. So first of all, you just need to create your Pinterest account. So here you can see we're already landed in pinterest.com, and here we have this navigation bar where we have this business. Just click over here, business. Once you click over here, now here you will find out that grow your business on Pinterest. Pinterest is where people discover new ideas, plan and shop. With Pinterest ads, you can reach your audience at every stage of your consumer journey. Sign up for a free business account to access ads and other marketing tools. So here you just need to be click to the sign up button. Once you click over here, then they will ask for you to create your account. So you just need to be input your mail address, then give a password over here. So I already provided passwords. Now you just need to be give your birth date here. So I am going to provide, and then it has been done. Just click to the create account, and here you will see that it will be done. Deja vu, that image taken. So we already have an account in this platform, and that's why I will click to the login into existing account. But if you are new, just this way you just need to be create your account. So let's go to the login into the account, and then I am going to paste my address. Let's click to the continue with Google, and then select this one, and then click to the continue, and it will landed me onto the dashboard like business hub. So if you already have personal Pinterest account, you can convert it to a business account. Just click upgrade to business in your setting. This is the simplest one. So let's click for it, skip for now, and here you can see find your audience. From that place, is Pinterest good? So here you can see is Pinterest good for your brand? Yeah, as you can see it, find your audience on Pinterest, then get inspired by growing trends in Australia. Then in next step, we are going to set up our business profile. So after creating your account, you just need to be enter your business name, make it a match to your brand, then choose your business type. It would be retailer, blogger, service provider, etc. Then you just need to add your website URL, so you can claim your site, and then you just need to pick your country and language. Then you just need to be click to the next. Pinterest may ask what you want to do with your account. Pick things like grow your audience, showcase products, or drive traffic to website. Once you finish, now you just need to be complete your profile. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Here you can see, just click over here, and here you will get couple of things like add a profile picture or a logo over that place. Then write a short bio, explain who you help and what you share. Then you just need to be add your website link. Here you can see this is a website link if you did not already. Then claim your website to enable analytics and show your logo on pins that link back to your site. Here you can see these are the things you just need to fulfill. Then let me give you a tip, that is to claim your website. Follow Pinterest instruction. You will usually add a meta tag to your site or upload an HTML file. Then let's go to the setting, click to the home feed, and this is the home feed we have. So let's create our first board. Like boards help organize your pins by topic. Let's click to the create board. Let's click over here, and here we just need to be create and board. Just click to the create, and here we have these options. Let's find out where is the board to create. Let's see. Okay, create pin. This is for the pin. Now you just need to be select one of them, just click over here, and if you click onto the seg, then here you are allowed to create your board this place. So here I am going to save this one, and now here you can see we are allowed to create a board. So let's click to create, and here you can create like give a name it with your keywords. For example, it could be code, architecture, or home office decor ideas, then easy receipts, morning tips, whatever you want. Just click over here, secret, if you want to make it secret. If you want to public it, just enable it. Then you can search by name or email, like you can add description with keywords over here. Then click to the create. Once you click over here create, then here eventually you can see you save this pin to both architect. And let's go over here and see, you can see this is the board we have. Like next is to saving pins that fit your board. This can be your pins or relevant content from others. Then we are going to pin our own content, so you just need to click to this one, create it. Once you click over here, now here you are allowed to create your pin. Just click over here, create pin. Then here eventually you just need to be upload your photo. Let's upload our photos over here. So I think this one will be good, so I upload it. Then you just need to be add and title top 10 by cycle in 2025. Then you just need to be add your description, write a keyword rich description. It's really helpful. Like I don't want to add any description right now, so I will make it demo. Then here you just need to be add your link, like add your description link. This is where people will go when they click the pin. It could be your website, shop, blogs, or landing page, whatever you want. You just need to be paste it here. Then you just need to be select your board. We already created and board. You can select this one. Then here you have this options called targeted topics. So you just need to be add tags so people can find out by using tags. Like it is will help you to rank high on Pinterest. Then you just need to be click over here, publish, add product. You can add product, or you can just click to the publish. Once you click over here, then here you can see find it, love it, save it. Okay, click to the install, and you just need to be install it. Okay, click to the add. It help you to like save button was added. So let's come back to our website again. Okay, just click to the login, and then it will redirect us to there. And let's try to visit our home. So here you can see that we already created our pin, and here you can see the analytics, views, pin, and the thing is here. So let me give you a tip that always use Canva to design beautiful pin graphic. If you are newbie, if you don't have any idea about graphic, Canva will help you to create a pin easily. Then we are going to use Pinterest Analytics. So with your business account, you can get Pinterest Analytics for free. Like see which pins perform best, track link clicks and surveys. Like click this one, and here you can see impression, pin clicks, saves, and many more. Learn what content your audience like. You will learn this thing. Then check your stats and adjust your strategy to get more traffic. So I hope you understand how easy to create an account of a business account in Pinterest. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with another topic. Thanks for watching.